Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the CMF watch application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the CMF watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Okay, so once you open the app, you should see main page, the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see your CMF Watch Pro. Once it says connected, you can tap on more, and here you should see the dial gallery. So I forgot to mention, basically you should have the dial gallery right here, and you can tap on more to open the whole gallery. And here we have it. And we have different categories of watch faces. Find the one you are interested in, you can tap on more to open the category, and then you can find the watch face you like to use, tap on it, and then tap on download and use. Tap on yes, and wait until it's done downloading. And as you can see, after it's done downloading, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And you can download a couple. I don't know if there's a limit, but you can download multiple watch faces basically. You can also tap on mine right here in the dial gallery to see the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And as you can see, we have a couple of them, and you can tap on them to change them if you want by tapping on use and then yes. You can also remove the watch faces by tapping on the delete button. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the application. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.